Hi and welcome back to Scholastic Literacy Pro. Today we will show you how to use the assessment function. From the navigation panel, click on the Assessment tab. The Lit Pro test is used to evaluate your students' reading ability. At the end of the test, students will be given a Lexile measure, which will then be used to recommend books that are appropriate for their reading level. Click on the Assign Lit Pro Test button to start. It is recommended to take the Lit Pro test up to 4 times a year to gauge the student's reading level and progress over time. At this page, you will find student names, most recent Lit Pro test taken date, Lexile score, variance, which is the difference between previous and current Lexile scores. If you wish to set a due date, click on the Due Date section and select or unselect the day or month from the pop-up options. The default action here is no due date if none was selected. You can also preset an assigned date using the same method. Otherwise, the default action here will be the current date. Click on X to close the pop-up. Click on the top left box to select or unselect all students, or check on the individual student names. Click Save when you are done. When the Lit Pro test has been successfully assigned, you will see this page. Click on Notify Students. The Notify Students pop-up will show with a preset message template. Click anywhere within the box to edit the text. When you are done, click on Copy to Clipboard to copy the intended message and paste it on your current messaging platform to inform students of their assessment. Click X to close this page. In this section, we will show you how to take the Lit Pro test from the student's view, using the student account. This will help you assist students who might have difficulties or issues in taking the Lit Pro test. When the student logs in the next time, he or she will be shown a screen that shows a Lit Pro test is assigned. Students can also go to the navigation panel, and click on Assessment to launch the assessment page. The assessment page will show your students' last Lit Pro test results if they have taken the test previously. Click on Take the Lit Pro test button to start the test. The student can decide if they want to take the test now or do it later. Click on Take the Test Now to start the assessment. The students will be shown an additional page to explain how the Lit Pro test works. Click on Start Test to begin. Students can stop at any time by clicking on the X button at the top right of the screen, and resume at any time. If the students have difficulty with any question, they can use the skip option up to 3 times. Select the answer from the multiple choice option, and click Next to proceed with the next question. A typical Lit Pro test consists of between 20 to 30 sets of questions. When your student finishes answering all the questions in the Lit Pro test, they will be shown their Lexile measure and reading level. Literacy Pro will recommend book titles that are appropriate to the student's reading level and Lexile range. Click on Start Reading to continue. This will bring the student back to the student home page. The results of the Literacy Pro test assigns a Lexile score to a student. In turn, the Lexile score determines the student's reading proficiency, which you can track on the teacher's dashboard. They can continue reading the books from where they left off. Check out their bookshelf on the recommended titles. Read the books or complete quizzes that were assigned by the teacher. Or take a look at the most popular titles and new arrivals. When the student clicks on See All or Explore Library, they will be taken to the library page within Literacy Pro. Thank you for your time. If you need more help or guidance on Scholastic Literacy Pro, reach out to your account manager or Scholastic customer service and we'll assist you further. Have a good day.